Welcome to Inside Factory Walls, where we explore the intricate and precise machinery behind the creation of the Philippine 20 peso coins. The journey begins within the intense heat of the foundry, where raw metallic elements are melted down to create specialized alloy blends. Precision is paramount as the molten mixture is carefully poured into molds to form the base material for all future currency coins. These massive metal strips are cooled and wound into heavy coils, serving as the raw foundation for the national currency production line. The coils travel steadily along the automated conveyor belt, moving toward the blanking machines that will begin shaping the individual coin discs. Powerful hydraulic presses descend with immense force, punching perfect circular blanks from the long metal strips with high speed and absolute accuracy. Thousands of raw, unpolished circular discs cascade into the collection bins, marking the first physical form of our new 20 peso coins. Next, the blanks enter the annealing furnace, where controlled heat treatment softens the metal to prepare it for the final stamping process. Emerging from the thermal chamber, the softened metal is now ready for the rigorous washing and polishing cycles that follow this stage. High-pressure water jets and abrasive tumbling barrels scrub the surfaces, ensuring every single blank is free from oil, debris, and impurities. Speedy air dryers evaporate all moisture, leaving the discs perfectly clean, dry, and ready for the complex bimetallic assembly phase ahead today. The 20 peso coin is unique, featuring a two-part construction that requires joining a distinct outer ring with a smaller inner core. Automated robotic arms perform the delicate task of fitting the core into the outer ring, ensuring a seamless and permanent metallic bond. Once assembled, these bimetallic pieces are inspected for alignment before they proceed to the final stamping stage where details are pressed in. The stamping dies are masterpieces of engraving, designed to imprint the national portrait, value, and security features onto the prepared metal surfaces. With a thunderous strike, the heavy press forces the metal into the die, creating deep, crisp reliefs that define the Philippine currency. Each minted coin is ejected from the press, showing off the intricate design and the beautiful contrast of the two metallic components. Security is built into every edge, as the fine serrations and micro-lettering are perfectly formed during this final high-pressure striking operation phase. Advanced optical sensors and high-speed cameras scan every coin, instantly identifying any imperfections or defects that would disqualify it from circulation use. Imperfect coins are swiftly removed from the line by a robotic arm, ensuring that only the highest quality currency reaches the public. The approved coins flow toward the packaging department, where they are counted and organized into standard batches for secure transport and distribution. Industrial bagging machines fill heavy-duty containers, sealing them with precision
50 bags
to protect
accounted
the
for
newly
in
minted
crate 12.
coins from any external
Confirmed.
environmental
Move it to the
factors
sealing
today.
station.
Workers carefully organize the filled bags into reinforced crates, preparing them for the secure journey to the central bank of the Philippines. Heavy forklifts transport the pallets to the loading dock, where the cargo is secured for the final delivery to the national vault. From these massive factory walls, millions of coins emerge to support the economy, representing the heart of the national financial system daily. Before mass production begins, metallurgists conduct rigorous hardness tests to ensure the alloy meets the strict durability standards required for daily circulation. The precise ratio of metals is measured with scientific accuracy, creating a durable alloy that can withstand years of constant public handling. Giant rollers exert incredible pressure, flattening the alloy into precise strips with a thickness tolerance measured in microns for consistent coin weight. The blanking press operates with a rhythmic cadence, transforming the long metal strips into thousands of uniform discs per hour of operation. Quality control experts examine the blanks under powerful microscopes, ensuring the surface is entirely smooth before the final image is stamped on. Specialized chemical baths remove any residual oils from the manufacturing process, leaving the blanks polished and ready for the complex assembly stage. A secondary press applies significant force to lock the inner core into the outer ring, creating a single, inseparable bimetallic coin unit. The assembled coins wait in orderly lines, ready to receive their final identity and legal tender status through the high-pressure striking process. As the die strikes, the iconic portrait of the national hero is embossed with stunning clarity, capturing every detail of the design. Every curve and line of the denomination is rendered with extreme precision, making the coins difficult to counterfeit and easy to identify. The finished coins accumulate in the collection trays, reflecting the culmination of hours of precise engineering and high-speed industrial manufacturing processes today. Sophisticated X-ray scanners verify the internal density of each coin, confirming that the bimetallic bond is solid and completely free of voids. Automated counting machines process thousands of coins per minute, ensuring that every batch contains the exact number required for bank distribution needs. The coins are sealed in heavy-duty plastic bags, protecting them from oxidation and keeping them in pristine condition for their future banking journey. Each bag is carefully placed into sturdy boxes, which are then labeled and stacked for final shipment to the central bank distribution center. Security seals are applied to every crate, guaranteeing that the coins remain untouched and secure during their transit to the national vaults. The armored transport arrives to collect the finished currency, beginning the final leg of its journey to serve the Philippine national economy. Inside the control center, skilled technicians monitor the entire production flow to ensure that every single machine is operating at peak performance. The immense power of the hydraulic press is balanced by the delicate precision of the die, resulting in a perfect currency product today. Watching the blanks flow like a metallic river reminds us of the massive scale required to supply a nation with daily currency. Ultrasonic cleaning technology removes even the smallest microscopic particles, ensuring the coins are perfectly clean before the final stamping and inspection phases. These two components wait patiently to be united, a marriage of different metals that creates the distinct look of the 20 peso. Laser guidance systems ensure that the core is perfectly centered within the outer ring, maintaining the aesthetic balance of every single coin. The finished coins move with pride along the track, showcasing the incredible detail and craftsmanship achieved through this complex industrial minting process today. Every batch is sampled to verify that the thickness remains consistent, ensuring that the coins work perfectly in all standard vending machine systems. As the coins hit the counting tray, the system tracks the total volume with absolute accuracy, maintaining strict inventory control for the bank. The final seal is applied to the bags, locking the currency safely inside and readying it for the long transit to the vault. Efficiency is the key in the warehouse, where every pallet is stacked and ready for the incoming secure transport vehicles to arrive today. Modern technology has transformed the minting process into a symphony of automation, where machines work in harmony to produce the national currency. Human expertise remains essential, as engineers fine-tune the settings to ensure that production quality stays at the highest level throughout the day. Each spinning coin is a testament to the hard work and innovation that happens within these walls, serving the needs of the nation. The intricate edge serrations serve a dual purpose, providing both a tactile grip for handling and a critical security feature against any forgery. This stream of metal represents the lifeblood of the economy, moving steadily from the factory floor to the hands of the Filipino people. Final checks are performed by trained professionals who verify the quality, ensuring that every single coin meets the strict standards of the bank. Detailed labels are applied to every box, documenting the batch numbers and ensuring full traceability throughout the entire national distribution and banking network. As the truck departs, the factory remains ready to start the cycle again, continuing the vital work of minting the national currency daily. The coins are finally ready to reach the public, carrying the legacy of the nation in the palm of every single citizen's hand. Thank you for joining this journey inside the mint. Please subscribe to Inside Factory Walls for more amazing looks of industrial manufacturing today. The work inside these walls never truly stops, as we continue to craft the future of currency for the people of the Philippines.